This is the CARPURIDE W903. It's got CarPlay, Android Auto, AirPlay, Android Cast. These two are screen mirroring for your smartphone. If you have a smartphone, it will mirror exactly what's on your phone, or you can have the CarPlay, which I like because it has specific apps for when you're driving. You have access to your music, you have access to your maps, obviously. You have access to your cameras because this thing is not only the CarPlay and Android Auto, but it's also a dash cam. So if you go here, you can see the camera right now is over here. This one is very high resolution, and you can even turn it in, and right here you can see me, right? Really high quality. And if you want to, you can adjust the height, low or high, or however you want it. It's very good. You even have a backup camera, and as you can see, it's recording, so it's very high quality. And also, it's very easy to set up. So right now, if I go to my music, you can see it is playing music, or rather, it's gonna play music right now. All right, so now the audio is playing. You can see I can change the volume up here. It's very easy because you can get audio out of this unit many ways. My way is using a 3.5mm audio cable. That way it can connect directly to my stereo. If your car doesn't have a 3.5mm audio cable, you can connect via Bluetooth. If your car is older, you can use FM radio modulation, which is basically if you have a radio, it'll work because you just dial in the frequency on your radio and you dial in the frequency on this to match, and then it will send the audio through your radio, and it works perfectly fine. And the last resort is it actually has built-in speakers. So if you want to, you can use the built-in speaker too. Many ways. You got the maps, you got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, you have mirroring, and you got your dash cam. Because remember, like I showed you, you have front camera and you have a rear camera, and it can take pictures like that. Boom, you can take a picture. It's great. This thing is fantastic. I think this is a game changer in this very old car. It's a 2007 Honda S2000, but now I have the latest and greatest technology, and I absolutely love my car now because of this right here, CARPURIDE W903. Oh yeah.